outside the hotel. It's called the Hotel Duca de Alba, and it's in a place called Monti. And I'm just going to have a look around the hotel now, and also I'm going to show you how close it is to the Colosseum. We've stayed here for 2 nights, and I definitely recommend this location. It was really good. So this is the breakfast area. It's not set up for breakfast right now. But you can pay for breakfast. I think it was €15 per person and $7.50 for children. So that's kind of what's included. And it's just through there. Okay, so through this door here. Hold Mummy's hand. It's quite a steep staircase. Yeah, you hold Mummy's hand. Oh, it's very steep. So we've got toilets there. And then we've got iron board. Oh, look, Freddie.
What is it?
There's a glass floor or glass ceiling into the breakfast room. If you sat and ate your breakfast on that table, you'd look all the way down here.
Oh, now they don't have breakfast.
No.
That's the day.
Oh. So up here we've got the fitness area. Oh, we've got a nice massage chair there. But wait, it's a gym, so people can work out, so you can do some running on the treadmill, or the bicycle, or there's some weights, or there's this machine. I don't go to the gym, so I have no idea what this is for. So it's like, is it a weight machine? I don't know. I don't go to the gym, so I don't know. I think it's for weights.
Put on the tummy. That tummy on the tummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you push it.
Mommy, make it better.
It makes your tummy better. I think Freddie's trying to explain what a six-pack is. Hey everyone, we're here in Rome. We're staying in the Hotel Duca de Alba. So here's a quick room tour for you. So Freddie's filming the intro for me, so I've got my little cameraman just here. So if it's a little bit up and down, it's because I've got a 3-year-old as my cameraman. But anyway, let's show you the room. So come in and we've got this little sofa area. I think it can be made into a bed, and it's got a TV on the wall. It's like a whole little extra room. And then through into this one. This one is beautiful. It's got like old like stonework across the bed. There's such high ceilings. Nice big beam up there. Really nice. Got some lights on here. It's got a USB next to the bed, so that's good, and a plug socket next to the bed. Got a wardrobe. It's got a safe, so that's good. Another luggage rack on that bit. And then TV on the wall, some nice lights, little desk area over here.
Boy.
Oh, hello. Fred is exploring the room. And then out here, let's have a look at our view. So we're on the 2nd floor. Oh, we're down into like the road area and the courtyard. There's the entrance to our hotel just there. That's where we've just come in. It's got shutters on. I think you might be able to open them, but I think we're going to leave that shut with Freddie in here. And also it'll keep the sun out as well. We have put the aircon on, but I don't know how good it's going to be. The bedroom is really nice.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Oh no, we have to...
You want to show? Okay.
I want to show my bedroom.
Show them your bedroom.
My
then.
bed.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Nice sink area, big mirror. There's no bath in this one, it's a shower, but it's quite a big shower. Got like a waterfall one and then like a handheld one as well. Towel rail, little bidet. Yeah, it's really nice. Do you like it? The other side of the door you've got tea and coffee over here. It's like a mirror area. There's a cupboard and then there's a fridge as well. It's got some waters in. Straight up there, where you can see the graffiti and it says Cavour, you can get up some steps there. It takes you to the main road and then it's just straight all the way up to the train station. So really, really close for that. And then this way, we're going to show you now how to get to the Colosseum. Freddie wants to do Freddie cam, so I'm going to give you Freddie the camera and he can show you how we get to the Colosseum. You hold it straight. So as you can see, the Colosseum's right at the end of this road. Overall, a great stay at the Hotel Duca to Alba and definitely recommend the location. The room was really clean and really comfy and we had a great stay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.